Hey everyone, today I want to show you guys how to use white sage. And basically, when you get white sage, it's going to either come in a bundle, like how this was, or it's going to be loose leaf, like maybe a lot of small pieces like this. And in that case, you're going to definitely need something to burn it in. This is a shell. It's quite thin, so it's not good for long burning sessions. But then, they also have meteorite bowls and things like that where you can use copper ones. Um, but yeah, so when you want to cleanse your space, like for example, you haven't been staying at your house for a while, maybe you were traveling and you're just coming back, or if you're traveling and you're in a hotel room or Airbnb space, there's so many people that go in and out of those kind of places that you don't know, maybe there's someone with negative energy that left something behind, whatnot. So that's when you would use white sage. And what you should do is basically use something like this. You burn, and then you go to all corners of the space. Make sure there's a lot of smoke so that it's kind of almost invisible, like I'm sorry, where it's you want it to feel like it's very foggy, and after that you want to leave the room. So you want to fill up the room with smoke, and then you want to make sure that the fire's out and everything. There's nothing that can possibly burn, and then you're gonna leave that room, and you can leave a little space, a window open, but then the point is to fill up that room with smoke and then let it cleanse. And like I said, when I do it so that it's very thick, so that like the whole room is filled with smoke, and then I will leave for 3 hours. So then make sure, this might take some planning, but like for example, if you get to the Airbnb or the hotel room, you might want to prepare before you go out for dinner or a night out, and then do a full cleanse of the whole space. So then by the time you get back home or back to your room, hotel room or Airbnb, then you feel you're ready to go to sleep, and then you're gonna feel like the room is cleansed basically. So yeah, I hope that helps. If I'm not clear enough, maybe leave a comment, or if you have any questions, please leave a comment. All right, thank you. I hope that helps.